channel. If it's your first time joining us, welcome. My name is Ozana, but I go by the name of Loyally on all social media platforms. If you are a returning subscriber, what do you do, darling? How are you? As you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to be installing Mini Glam. Mini Glam is my 4x4 8-inch single drone bob from Spruce Hair Boutique, and this is her. We are reinstalling her. This is how she looks. She's a 4x4 single drone, and she is an 8-inch, but she does look like a 10-inch though. She looks like a 10-inch. So yeah, we are going to be putting her on, and I gave her the name Mini Glam because she's a mini, and of course you'll be glammed after wearing her, you know. And yeah guys, let's get straight into the video, and I'll see you at the end.
Little moments wake me up, warm like sunlight in my cup. Joy overflow, it's more than enough. Life feel good when it's built on love. Good days growing, you can see it. He's so strong, yeah, I believe it. Everything lost, he redeemed it. Good vibe, I receive it. Good life, sweet like sunrise. Tease up my heart, no stress, no lie. We keep rising, yeah. There's the vibe. Living his life with joy inside. Good love, high like sky. Favor, so strong, can't deny. Smile, so deep, I won't hide. Good love, that's my life. Soft morning breeze on me, coffee in the air I breathe. Home feel like harmony, flow so easily. Open up the window, sunshine fall. Quiet little whispers to these walls. Thankful for the blessings, big and small. This soft little life, I want it all. Soft morning breeze, warm light over me. Joy come naturally, life feel heavenly. Soft morning breeze, sweet like memories. Hold my sanctuary, soft flow energy.
Blessings on me. Woke up today with a piece in my chest. Things I let go, yeah, they turn to my best. Enemies press, but I still stay blessed. Good in my spirit, I move with finesse. Every step I take, they cover me. Every breath I breathe, recover me. Life so sweet, discovery. Blessings pour out abundantly. Blessings on me, I feel that. Joy in my chest, can't steal that. Walking in peace, I'm real that. Good life coming, I'll heal that. Blessings on me, I claim that. Grace all around, I frame that. Favor so strong, can't tame that. Every new day, I aim that. Can't steal that.
Come glow with me. Sun on my face, yeah, I'm feeling brand new. Smiling my step with a whole different view. Life tastes sweet like a summertime fruit. Every little moment, gotta shine to it too. Take my hand, let's dance real free. Move with the wind, let your heart just breathe. Joy in the air like a soft cool breeze. Glow in your soul, girl, come with me. Glow with me, baby, just breathe. Sun on my skin, I'm finally free. Joy in my step, sweet like a breeze. Life feel good, come dance with me. Glow with me, move your feet. Happiness flows so easily. Wherever I go, life follows me. Glow with me, glow with me, glow with me, glow with me.
New day shining on my face. Stepping out, I'm moving in grace. Energy clean, no time to waste. Favor follow me, I'm in that place. Heart so light, yeah, I'm feeling free. Good vibrations surrounding me. Steady climbing is the prophecy. Every step I take, destiny. Ooh, I feel it rising. Peace in my soul, no hiding. Life on a wave, I'm guiding. Sun in my heart, still shining. So I rise and vibe multiply it. Most high by my side it. They rise and vibe it. Good life, no lie it. Elevation, sky high it. Watch me come alive it. So breeze dancing through my hair. I'm outside, no way, no care. Leveling up, I'm so aware. Everything I lost, he made it fair. Gave my worries, he took the load. Now my heart beating easy mode. Walking the light on this open road. Confident, strong, yeah, it's yours. Oh, I feel it growing. Racing my steps, still flowing. Every new door he's showing. Blessings on blessings, keep going. Rise and vibe it. Joy inside it. Feel blessing, multiply it. Most high by my side it. He got rise and vibe it. Good life, no lie. Elevation, sky high. Watch me come alive it. Eh.
Yeah guys, this is how the hair turned out. Love it down. For just 890 you can get yourself quick one, y'all. I have a 15% off on this Mini Glam bob, but only for the first 5 payments. Once they're gone, price goes back up. Link below. This Mini Glam, this bomb, y'all. Bomb, you know. Yeah, look elegant and really cutesy, you know. Love it down. And then, did I tell you I did not even put a glue? Let me show you. There's no glue here. There's no glue here, darling. Should I? Yeah, there's no glue here. No glue. No glue. No glue. So guys, we have made it to the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Give it that thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll be back with more videos, hair videos, and yeah, just comment down below. I'll leave the details to where you can buy Mini Glam. This Mini Glam 8 inches. As you can see, it's a bouncy quality, you know. So if you want to get your hands onto this unit, DM me. I'll put my number in the description box, and it will be under Spruce Hair Boutique. DM me there and we'll talk. Yeah. Glueless. 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 Yes. Yeah. But do you see that? Laid. Lace. Wear. Set up. Love it on. And I will talk to you guys later. See you on my next video. Comment down below if you would love to see more of videos, and I will definitely bring you more. Stay tuned. Bye.